sir. And also, I want to appreciate Biafrans. Monday mere better Monday got off for which I know, and that from the results. Because I know that in any atom of something like this, there must be the ones that will hate you, and there must be the one that like you. So I want to tell Biafrans today that the poison that we ate, we have succeeded. We are alive today. And that's why I'm coming out, because I believe that when the Truth is Power was telling Biafrans, addressing Biafrans, that very soon as possible that I will come up to address Biafrans, I believe that many couldn't believe it. Even when Jamaica himself came up with voice and later made a broadcast, live broadcast, people doubted it. On my own, many might doubt it, because for those that have been spreading the news that I am a dead person, that all of us B44, OWAM, with the triple generals, with some of the major generals in 40 state of Biafra that ate the poison together with us. I know today that many could believe, many may not believe. Many may say AI. No, this is me, Gentle the Yahoo, Onyezo in Biafra land. We are not you. Here am I, and this place is a place I got my recovering. And here am I till today, which I won't mention name. But I strongly believe that the God in heaven and the gods of the land must bless the Odogu that God used to heal me and also heal other generals. You get? So I want to appreciate him one more time for his efforts. And I want Biafrans to appreciate our people in Calabar, because we are everywhere. I don't want to talk much on that. Now, I want to say this. Ima, as in onye chọrọ igbu nwa nkịta ya, ọ chọọ aja aha, were ba nwa nkịta ya tupu ọ chụọ ya ka o gbuo. Man, I thank God, this one made known to all Biafrans. I was in a sick bed when they threw allegation on me. When I was struggling to survive for the poison that they gave to us by the people of the people, which I am going to narrate the story on my next coming back to address the entire world. So I just came up today with few things to tell Biafrans for them to celebrate that all their prayers has been answered, and Biafra is here, whether they like it or not. That Biafra is here, and also to debunk the 3 men that was shot to death, that they throw the allegation that they said that it's me. I am not the one, and I am still repeating myself. I am not the one that killed the 3 people. And I want Biafrans to investigate this thing that I'm saying properly, because this has been a very big problem that we are having. After the Kobo boys caught one guy that has a mark with 2 of his friends, they shot 3 of them to death, throwing allegation on the other boy that he is my man, he's one of my guys. That is why they killed him. That is why they killed him. That's why they killed the 3 men. And they tag my voice on that video. What evidence do they have? Someone that is struggling to survive in a sick bed, and they are still throwing allegation on somebody that can't even talk. My breathing then was so critical, but we are still throwing allegation on top of my head. So I came up today the same way I debunked the incident that happened at Izog, and I am still saying it today and tomorrow. I am not involved, and I am not included, and I don't know where they plan it, I don't know how they plan it, and I don't know the people that did the massacre in Arondi Zog. Till today, I am still saying it. Oh, na marakwa here banyere here Izogo massacre. Man okwalandu wefala Biafra. I am still taking this oath. But it's quite unfortunate that this idiot that calls himself Ebe Kuodike Aririakaria is still deceiving the people of Arondi Zog till today. I am not surprised. I am not surprised, but Ubochi Akoko, Oya Adika Marajuabo, and Abacho Osai Agorima. That one, by the way. Secondly, please and please, Finland, this one is coming directly to your table. I believe that by now, you people would have find out all the things that has happening. Now the two allegation that Simon Ekpan was the one that commenced sit at home. Nnamdi Kanu was the one that commenced sit at home. Finland, please, release Simon Ekpan before it will be too late for you people. And I want the international community to investigate Finland properly. Because I strongly believe that Finland government, the Finnish government, has a very concrete agreement, a planned deal with Nigerian government. That's business centers area that calls themselves a country. Your own citizen that you know too well, that have been a military, a former military in your own country. Your own citizens that is into politics in Finland, you know too well, because of money. Didn't you think very well? The oil that they are using to fight against Biafrans, who's people that have it? Can't you reason? Don't you believe that tomorrow we might go into deal with you tomorrow because of the oil? Okay, in that business country that calls themselves Nigeria, there is a gold in the north. And the Boko Haram, Iswamp, ISIS, they occupy that area by all those caliphates. And justly because of the oil we have in that land, southeast, everyone is making use of it. Biafrans, can't we reason? Igbos, can't we reason? Even if I thought you say you are not a Biafran, thank God we all are Igbos. But Igbos, can't we reason? Can't we come to our normal senses? What is our problem? Why we are why we are behaving as if we have the brain? Why we don't have the brain? Why can't we come together? The time is now. Let Igbos come together. Let us fight this fight once and for all. Finland, I am alive. Remember that Nigerian government have come to you people. They have been telling you people since that they have caught Gento the Yahoo, that I have vomited a lot of atrocities committed by the Simon Ekpan, your citizen. Now here am I. Where are the truths? Where are the truths? Where the truth is? The truth, you know, where is the truth? These are the country you are having a deal with, planned deal with. These are the same country that are using you to jail your own citizen. Alex, stop. Can't you reason? I thought you said you are a wise man. Release your citizen. Release Simon Ekpan. He did nothing to these people. I am alive. I am not dead. I am not in their dungeon. I am not in their dungeon. They cannot hold me. They can't hold me. They can't tamper me. I am above them. I am above them. Rather, I will be the one to hold them. They cannot hold me. They can't hold me. Who they think they are? If not because of the longer throat of our people. If it's not because of our own people. Who is Nigeria to tamper Biafrans? Biafrans, please. Igbos, let us come together. Let us reason. I come in peace this year, 2026. Please let us understand ourselves. Even if I have offended you, all Biafrans at large, I am pleading. Both home and abroad. I am pleading if I have offended you in any way. Because everyone has his or her own gift. I have my own gift. And that my own gift was planted to me by the Creator. to fight this battle. Why can't we join hands together? What have you been benefiting from Nigeria? What have you been benefiting from all these Fulani caliphates? Just to transform our land, just to turn our land to Islamic nation. Is that all you want? No, it can never work. And by the power bestowed upon me by my master, Triple General, all the whole commanders in 40 states of Biafra, listen and listen very carefully. Anywhere you see an Igbo man practicing or being a full member of Islam in Igbo land, deal with that person. Don't deal with that person and look back. Because they have killed us enough. They have slaughtered Christians enough. We only have 3 major worship in Igbo land. 1, Jewish. Secondly, we accept Christian. But we know that Christian is a thing that they brought to us. Just to use it and deceive us. We accept it. 3, our culture. Our Delala. That these are the 3 major worshippers that we have in this Igbo land. Nothing like Igbo Muslim. Yeah, it's out. Nothing like Igbo Muslim. They thought they have killed us so that they can be able to establish all their goals, all their plans in Biafra land. You people have never killed us, so when I never finish our junior ones itself, the little ones, talk less of touching the grown-up ones before getting to us. Ojon Atokun. We are still alive. Then for you, Udele, I know you don't have shame. You don't have shame on you. You carried the news. You were the one that told the world, the entire world, the Biafras at large, that you confirmed from your rightful source that Gentle is dead. I had it and I kept it on my book. Now you don't have shame. You came down to Owerri, you were hiding yourself, doing video. After you left Owerri to Abuja, to your father's land, you now play the video. You now posted the video. Why do you insult? You say you are a man. Show up yourself. Come down, free yourself, move around. At least in Northeast, I know that I'm not in Imo State, Anambra, Abia State, Ebonyi State, Enugu State. But at least I am a free man in Igbo land. I can move around. I can move wherever I like, wherever I choose to move. Why are you hiding yourself? Stop it. So please and please, Finland, Finnish government, just if you know a way you can use something, cover your face and do the needful. Go do fast and cover your face and do the needful. Release your citizen. Look at the kind of country you are doing plan deal with. You are dealing with a people that calls themselves a country with a carton of lying, with a bunch of propaganda. These are the people you are dealing with. International community, the world leaders, Trump, J. Trump, Donald J. Trump, please remember that it was after Nnamdi Kanu broadcast about Christian genocide in Nigeria. That was when he became enemy to the Northerners. Now Northerners have seen that they can never fight the fight all alone. They came up with their meeting. After the meeting, they came up fully on the line. Tell us full time that there is no any tribe that can win Igbos except you use Igbo against Igbo. And this is what they are doing. This is how Asari Dokubo was adopted by their business center called a country, Nigeria. And they give Asari Dokubo, the pig, they give him the contract to start slaughtering Igbo youth, to start killing Igbo youth. Now Asari Dokubo boys planted his man, and his man was carrying out the mission, killing our youth, tagging it to us that we are the one killing our own people. Are we mad? Are we crazy? Are we running mad? Is there anything running with me or with all the men on ground? We bring a gun like this, we shoot our own people. We are not fighting our people. We are to protect life and properties of our people. And I am still standing strong saying it, that we are not against our people and we can never be against them. Yes. Please look into what is happening in this land. Asari Dokubo is the president terrorist in Igbo land. We are not a terrorist and we can never be a terrorist. on our own land? How many churches have we sent ablaze? How many church goers have we adopted? How many school people that we have you adopted? How many schools have you sent ablaze? How these people are tagging us, calling us terrorists? Why they are over there in the north painting the men terrorists, giving them a guy named nickname, bandits. The men terrorists in Nigeria that are terrorizing the country, they are robbing them, painting them. Shekigumi, the head terrorists are free, walking around. Reintegrated them into the military. And it is all those terrorists that they reintegrated in the society. They are the ones that we are fighting. They are the ones we are fighting against. How can you bring a terrorist, match them to the military? Match them to the military, you call yourself for a country. And you took our own men that is inside the military to Sambisa forest. When you get there, you order your Boko Haram to kill them, to slaughter them. You command them not to shoot the terrorists. Then on top of it, you carry the Boko Haram, the Iswam in uniform. You clothed with the military uniform. You take them down to the southeast, and they'll be slaughtering our mother, our daddy, pursuing our people from the farmland. Are you expecting us to keep quiet, to fold our hands? We said no to that. It can never happen. They can never Islamize our own unit in the southeast. It's undoable. They can never try it. We are still standing strong to protect the motherland, and we are only protecting the motherland. That is all. That is why our leaders are not speaking out. That is why when you talk, they can never say anything. Rather, they will still order the terrorists in uniform to go and kill their own brothers, to go and kill their own people. Now look at what Soludo is doing in Anambra State. What business Soludo has to order somebody that owns his own shop, that he owns his own self, that is running his own business on his own way. Soludo, since you were governor of CBN, and you dropped from the governor of CBN, Soludo, what have you done in Anambra? Can't you reason? Can't you think? And 4 days ago, you had a meeting with the Fulani Caliphate at Enugu. They have instructed you on how you will carry the mission to stop the sit at home. While our own man, our own brother, our own father, our own everything is there in the hands of Fulani Caliphate in Sokoto. Soludo, and you are ordering your people to start business. Look at Sunday Boho walking freely. Look at Shekigumi, the men bandit, the men criminal, the men kidnapper that have come up online in life, telling you that IPOB is killing their men, military men. They are the same terrorists in uniform. That all this wants to kidnapping. That all this wants to kidnapping is just ordinary kidnapping, adopting, making money to use it for what? To use it and buy more ammunition. Are you expecting us not to talk? We must keep on talking. We must keep on fighting. We must keep on pushing. And we can never ever allow the terrorists in uniform to keep on killing our people. It can never happen. For you, Udele, your cup has full. I really appreciate you, Kokika, since I started this movement. I never mentioned your name for once. Even when you were at the prison, people were talking and talking and talking. I kept quiet. I don't talk about you. I was even pitying you. I started with Udele. Udele I meant was second to Sapele. Are you a second to Sapele? The second to Sapele was Udele. And I mentioned the atrocities that we are committing, both in Anambra. I met them one-on-one. I spoke to them at Ezinefite. By the time they have been kidnapping at Ezinefite. Ask questions, they will tell you. I was the person. If I lie, make I know their life and see Biafra. I was the person that stopped the kidnapping at Ezinefite, Anambra. Down to Akwi. I was the person that stopped it, which it was Asari Dokobo. I mean, it was a Sapele man that was doing that one then. When the Asari Dokobo have never taken up the contract. I stopped it. because I met them one-on-one. I jammed them one midnight hour. We talk as man to man. I asked them why. Why Sapele is sending you people for a kind of mission like this? Kidnapping people, setting houses ablaze. It is only God. And he have already started saying my matter. He has already started defending me. Now Udele. Since that time, I mentioned Udele, which I don't know that your name is Udele. I don't know who you are. You just started ranting around. Collecting money from the Janjaweed, Flani Janjaweed, to threaten your own people. You are very, very stupid and you must be stupid. If for Fabara, ma kogo Fabara lishi today. If for Gawa, you can go riku. You can go riku. Gawa, you can go riku the trolla, Ezokwa ono. Because of money. Makele rata, you want help. You run out of money. You run out because of money. You can get ega nondo boy kuru landwa. Ega mu ega mu like this girl nondo le omoge. La you want to come, you will not see that. Jovika, she am a pastor in US. Jovika, you are not a pastor, you are a 4110, 419, 10, 12, 13. You are an evil man. You people thought that you people have killed me. I am unbeatable, I am undefeatable. You can't kill me, you can't defeat me. When I say when I be king of the game, why I know nothing? Stupid elements. I did nothing to you people, and that is why I'm living strong. I am strong today. And I have come once again to deliver, to start where I stopped, to deliver my people. Any them ability men kojo, Allah Biafra weapon them that day. Any them ability make kidnapping, like this struggle, Allah Biafra weapon them. Any them ability stop moto let's goshi, Allah Biafra weapon them. That is me for you. But you see, for you can't go ripu. You will die a miserable death. You see, for you, Jovika, you will die a miserable death. Even Ozugi said, Amashi US Bulata Alibo. Oh, one for Kigwakeo. Do you think that I don't know you? One for Kigwakeo. I know you, I know your local government, I know your old house. Ebe Kodi Karia. You are not from Arondi Zog. You are not from Okigwe LUGA, though you are from Okigwe zone. I don't want to mention your LUGA for you not to be carried away. But I know you, I know your house, I know everything about you. But let me tell you, if you want to confirm what I'm saying, Ebe Kodi Karia, if you want to confirm, come no any atom of attack from Abobo, Uno, Eklemola, Obletiti Abobo, Nozi Arondi Zog. Obletiti Abobo, Akwaya was Arondi Zog. No problem, a time will come when everything, when history will tell himself, will tell itself, calm down, don't rush things. Wagisi ni go away bekuo arakaria, eje phone nam de kalo, eje phone ka. We don't talk much. I know that now more mention on names just to promote all of you because you people are boggers, stupid elements. We think that where dada loso. No problem. Jisenika, obachenta atolo orange. Ika gwukwala onye o. Maka na ọgbacha bụ mgbe onye jidere. Ike agwụla onye. Onye iberibe. Look at how you are moving around. Propagandering. Ndị oshi. A na-apịsị ụmụ mmadụ ego necessarily. Ị na-ekpe ebe ikpe eze. Ị na-ebe ikpe eze. Who do you drop at ebe ikpe eze? Mụlaga ọnọ gburugburu Imo State. Onye iberibe, onye ihu. Stupid human being. Radio, that's your radio house in Lagos. Try me. If you want to believe, let me hear Pakapoya attack from above. I will visit you. May visit you. Meshugoji, Ega Nojim. Ya Nojim. What everybody la ulebum. Like all the qualified bara. Everybody la ulebum. Oh, na more if I took a current as a winning la unukum name. To quote Kabia Messenger. We're on. Let them. Mano kolando wefala Biafra. Mana wona yedo ta ade na we bubo kale bo wanke mmadu. Nna mbo no ndo so ebo mu yele ebu nwata na emema ade ebu nwata. Asimo lele ilu unu ha. Ko unu ebe unu bidoro ebe unu kwụsị. Well, I wrote to Lebam. As mu lile jala was the middle like Ngajala Jamilo la Flaquala no but lano. I could see me. Dear France, I greet you all. We don't condemn the room. Yeah, wasn't second with no but a car. Come back no man and I ain't. And then Namukunu Ganokwa from here today, being 28th of January 2026. Eke market. Makande National AI. All gentle their life and the reds. Or what if Mbade Bumbo. All bullet na what and that in mother bo. I will be a France. There is something that made us to be a Biafra. And we had Urundi Igbo. And we had Urundi Igbo. Or walk really I have touch on the air where be cool. Come on now, Otu ayom na yo only over major rebels who major one for Biafra. Asinge Bahara, let Igbos come together. Kachiko no Ako no Chiko Nishon, we come in peace. Well, logo de rai, because Ogo Abo Ogo Fonya. Kaimepe na Anyanya Yasa, Lehan e mile la Lagos. Lehan e mile la Lugausa. Lehan e mile even na Baekwa. Due to all these people for now, which are Islamic. All of them were Muslim tickets, Kalileji. All of the, if you don't belong to Muslim today, you can never achieve anything. You make it by in any sect. So it's a very big problem to us. Yeah? I am right. Why Muslim alaba ni men kinwe Igbo Muslim. I don't have much to say than to say God bless all Biafrans all over the world. At least Okigwe is come today is made by me. Aneme Aurono. Okigwe is come today is led by me, not by the hope. Was of them hope women are going to get against it. Indile Bugindile with your governance. All those evil ones collecting money, coming to you, they know where we can attack these people, we get them, we bring their life, we bring their corpse, go. You pack money and give to them. Now look at all the whole houses in Okigwa. Since you became governor, since 7 to 8 years now, what have you done in Okigwa? Which I was telling you, calm down. You don't, I don't want you fuel with, I don't want you with fuel. I don't want you with fuel. Onye jeweri je ojeru bebe on ejeli je gana agba. You get? And we can never run tire. We can never go tire until we achieve our goal. You see Biafra. Biafra is here. Finnish government release Simon Ekpan. Nigerian government releasing them the car before it will be too late for you people. I don't have much to say. I am still coming up very soon.